Hey, good morning. Happy Monday, May 9th. So what's going on in this world that we live in? Well, let's see. If you're fans of Johnny Depp and Amber Heard, you got a lot of juicy stuff to listen to with the court case that's going on for their divorce. Whoopee! Personally, I don't care. And then there is Vicky White. She's the prison guard, and the inmate, Casey White. She runs off with him, or he kidnapped her, or who knows. But it's kind of curious because she sold her place recently for about $95,000, but she had 4 acres of land. So they're saying it was substantially below market value. And she retired that day, but now they're saying they terminated her because they don't want to have to pay her pension because they think she is complicit in this whole deal. He seems to be, a killer from what I read and saw on the internet here. So the whole thing's crazy. It's like a made-for-TV movie that we'll be watching in a year or two or three. The other thing that's crazy, last week, the Supreme Court. Wow! Somebody over there is in a whole lot of trouble leaking the fact that the Supreme Court has considered repealing Roe versus Wade. I don't know which side of the issue you are on that. You can see both sides, I think, at times. All I can say is, you know what? If you're on one side or the other side, treat the opposite side with love and compassion. Let's get to today's topic. So let's follow up a little bit of what we were talking about last week. Should the employer pay for employees' health insurance when they buy it privately? And the answer to that was emphatically no. So let's talk about the benefits today of an employer having an employer-based health insurance program for its employees. So let's take a look at my list as to why small employers should offer health insurance to its employees. Number one, by offering health insurance, your employees are much more satisfied with you as an employer. Number two, because they're satisfied with you, you have a higher retention rate of your employees. They're not looking to go across the street to work at the Home Depot or Lowe's or whatever because they offer health insurance, or Starbucks, and you do not. Number three, because they have health insurance, they are healthier. They tend to get their physicals done. They tend to go to the doctor a lot quicker if something is wrong with them. So they're healthier. Number four, because they are healthier, their absentee rate goes down. And because they are healthier, number five, their productivity goes up. Number six, believe it or not, this is an interesting one. Employees who have health insurance tend to be more open what's going on with them, with their co-workers and their employers. So that's an interesting thing. It's nice to know what's going on with your employees, isn't it? Number seven, they can add family members to the insurance, so therefore it makes them happier. Number eight, because of all of this, you're building yourself a better workforce and all. Just simply a better workforce. So that's a big deal to have a better workforce than the next guy and a more stable workforce. And number nine, the premiums that you, the employer, are paying, that's a tax deduction against the business expenses. So there's some reasons why you, the employer, should offer your employees employer-based health insurance. So those are some interesting reasons. But did you also know that the health insurance that you can buy as an employer is typically better than the health insurance you can buy on your own or through the marketplace? Without marketplace assistance, like we were talking about last week, the premiums now are about the same or actually lower than what the employer pays. Deductibles tend to be lower. So you're basically getting a better product. You can also get better networks because you have a better product through an employer. So those are some of the advantages of having an employer-based plan opposed to saying to your employee, go get it from the marketplace. So, hey Mark, what's going on at the MLD agency? Well, this week I had the pleasure of writing 4 checks to you who referred your friends and family to the MLD agency. Very excited about that. Thank you for referring your friends to us. We also were able to help an individual with their health insurance and another individual with their dental insurance. Still working out there. Look forward to your referrals, trying to take care of them to make sure that they get what they need that's in their best interest. Numbers at the bottom of the screen. Don't hesitate to give us a call. Until next week, take care.